Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to disable this on hover tooltip messages which appears whenever you hover onto some kind of a function or a code in VS Code. So let's suppose I'm hovering onto this. So it actually shows you a simple pop-up message on hover that this is actually a express function. So now how to disable this? It's very easy. You go to the settings and right here you simply type in the search bar, which is editor dot hover dot enabled, and just write this editor dot hover dot enabled, and this property will come right here, and by default it will be checked. And now just make sure that you uncheck this. Just click this once. It is now unchecked. So now you have successfully disabled that tooltip messages, and now you can cross check again. If you hover onto this, now you will not see any sort of pop-up hover message which appears. So this will significantly improve the user experience of using VS Code. So you can also do the same thing by opening the user setting file. So just open Control Shift P. This is the user shortcut. So just open this file here and just add this property here, editor.hover.enabled to false. So this is all the JSON file here covering all the properties inside VS Code. So this is this property here. So if you once again want to enable that feature once again, just make that property from false to true. So now you again will see this pop-up message. So it's very easy to toggle this. So if for some reason you don't want this, you can again go to and change this from true to false. So now once again it is disabled. So in this easy way, you can disable this on pop-up messages which appear whenever you hover onto this any sort of code. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.